Naturva Lung Cleansing Spray is marketed as a fast-acting solution that detoxes your lungs, improves breathing, and clears mucus. But the real question is whether it actually works or just uses appealing health buzzwords. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Some herbal ingredients can soothe the throat or airways and may make breathing feel slightly easier. However, here's the key point. The claim that a spray can clean or detox your lungs is where things break down. What it actually does well may soothe irritation. Sprays like this can help with dry throat or mild irritation, especially if they contain herbal extracts. Temporary breathing comfort. Some users may feel a short-term clearer sensation, often due to menthol-like ingredients. Easy to use. Quick spray format makes it convenient. Where it falls short. Lung detox is misleading. Your lungs don't get cleaned by sprays. They already have natural defense systems, like mucus and cilia, that handle this. No strong clinical evidence. There's no solid medical proof that sprays like this improve lung function or remove toxins. Not a treatment for real conditions. It won't treat asthma, COPD, infections, smoking-related damage. So, does it actually work? Short answer, only for minor, temporary relief. You might feel slight throat or airway comfort. You will not get actual lung detox or repair. Bottom line, Naturva Lung Cleansing Spray isn't necessarily a scam, but it's definitely overhyped. It may provide short-term soothing effects, but the core promise, cleansing or detoxing your lungs, is not supported by real science. If you're dealing with breathing issues, this won't fix the root cause. It's more of a comfort product than a health solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.